But again, as you see this price being tested, that price is a negative value. Now it's positive again. We're going back up. So now we finally exceed the price. Drops a little bit more, comes back up, recovers, and hits that price target that we talked about before at 972. Now what do? We let this thing run. Okay? So let's now draw our line up in here. So roughly at 74.50, we've got a little trouble here. We go back into white to gold, back to white to gold, and the market begins to drop a little. There's no there's no solid strength in here. So we see a little bit of a retracement going on. If we were inclined to short that, what would we do? If we shorted this in here at, again, roughly 74.25, when would we get back into the trade? Notice how right in here we went from dark magenta back to green. Same price level was tested. Strength returned, and we came back up. However, at this price of 72.75, the low, that low, you see, was not tested with strength. The market did go up, but 72.75, let's get our line right on that. That price level didn't go into strength. At a little higher price it did. So as we move on here, you see what happens. A momentary gold bar followed by white, followed by green, back to white, then to green, and down she goes again. Now that price is penetrated. We're going to do the same thing here. 72.25. So here the market comes back down to 72.25, and then we go from dark magenta to red. That's a value of -3 to -4, and then back to -3. That's a reversal. That could see the market return to going back up. So let's move forward and see what happens in here. Momentarily we hit this high and we lose strength again. White to gold, back to white. Uh-oh. She's going to come down some. And she does. Right back to that price that we were at before. And what happens? The price is hit. It goes down another tick. Goes from green to red, back to dark cyan. That's a reversal. Strength is now returning. And notice very carefully here. This low of 71.75 was a negative value here. It was tested here as a positive value. The market's going back up. So right in here now, at this peak, 75, all right, we have some strength there. Now we lose it, and it drops a bit. In fact, she drops right in here to 72.50. Okay. And at 72.50, we're not quite there. These bars show some weakness. 72.50 shows weakness. We should get some strength back at that price. The market, however, goes only back down to 72.75 and then resumes our rally back up. And notice, let me just take you back to our price here at 75.25. When we return to that price, we're still strong. Okay? And ultimately, we go all the way up to 77.25 before the close. But notice what happens there. Before the market closes in Chicago, the price goes back up, tests it, and we're now losing some strength there. We're not gold anymore. We've got a new high there at 77.75. What was gold is now white, and you would expect then, unless that strength gets back into the market, that on the following day this market will come back down, test those prices. So the group reversal system, of course, this is run on a 25 tick bar chart. That's very fast, not very easy to keep track of exactly what's going on, unless you're basically staring at the market. It's a little tough. So that's why we have an automated system, so that automated trades can be taken when these group reversals occur. But a simple understanding of the group reversal system can help the trader to fully appreciate what the market is likely going to do. It's extremely accurate. So that completes our discussion of the group reversal system. This is Spoos for RSKsys International, RSKsys.com. You can go to the website and learn a lot more about our group reversal system and other things that we're doing to help our traders become better traders. That concludes our video.